Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to fix microphone not working on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First way, we should tap on settings. In settings main menu, scroll down and find WhatsApp application. Just scroll down and find WhatsApp. Here is it, select WhatsApp and here you will see microphone. We just swipe the slider to the right side to enable microphone on WhatsApp application. Second way, again from main settings menu, we should scroll down and find General. Go to General and here you will see iPhone storage. Select it. Now we should scroll down and find WhatsApp application. Here is it. Go to WhatsApp and then tap on Offload app. From pop-up menu proceed to Offload app. Then wait some time and tap on Reinstall app here. Alright, third way, we just on your screen find App Store, press and hold on WhatsApp application, like me, and then tap on Remove app. After Remove app, tap on App Store, tap on Search, go to search bar and enter WhatsApp application. Find WhatsApp, here is it, and reinstall application. And fourth way, you just reboot your device, hold power off button on your device and reboot your device. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.